Hi friends, welcome to your channel Taylor Achievers. Today I explain to JEE Mains problems. Okay, before going to topic, small request. Up to now, who are not subscribed, please subscribe Taylor Achievers. Okay, I explain the sums. Here, the equation of the normal to x square plus 3y square is equal to 144. This is the given ellipse. First of all, I take given ellipse. Given ellipse. That is x square plus 3y square is equal to 144. Here, ellipse is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That's why divide on both sides with 144, we get one result. X square by 144 plus here 3y square by 144 is equal to 144 by 144. 144 ones, 144 ones. Here 3 1 jar, 3 4 jar 12, 3 8 jar 24. So we get the ellipse x square by 144 plus y square by 48 is equal to 1. Here he wants the equation of normal. Here end means here positive end of lattice rectangle. Suppose ellipse like this, x axis, y axis, focus means a comma 0. Here end of lattice rectangle means here on x axis AE, this point AE, on y axis length of lattice rectangle 2b square by a, but we need half m, that means b square by a. So here we find the point of E is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a, that is equal to square root of a square means 144 minus b square means 48 by a value 12. 144 minus 48 means 14 minus 8, 6, 1 left, 13 minus 4, 9. Square root of 96 by 12. Here 96 can be written as 16 6. For 16 square root 4, 16 6 means 4 root 6 by 12, 4 1 jar, 4 3 jar. What is this? The value of ellipse root 6 by 3. So here end of lattice rectangle. What is the point? AE comma b square by a. So here a means a square means 144, a means 12. So here that is equal to 12 into E value root 6 by 3 comma b square value 48 by here a value 12, here also 12, a square 144, a is 12, 12 ones are 12 4 jar, 3 ones 3 4 jar. So here 4 root 6 comma 4. This is the end of lattice rectangle. So finally we write equation of normal. We need here a square 144, b square 48. Points 4 root 6, 4. 4 root 6, comma 4. So we take the equation of normal, that is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. We take these values in the given result, we get the answer. A square value 144. So here 144 x by x1 value 4 root 6 minus b square value 48 y by y1 value 4 is equal to a square means here a square minus b square. A square means 144 minus b square means 48. So here let us cancel here again. 4 1 jar 4 3 jar 12 24 4 6 jar 24. Here also 4 1 jar 4 12 jar 48. So here root 6 there. What is the remaining result? 36 x by root 6 minus 12y is equal to here 144 minus 48 means 14 minus 86 1 left, 13 minus 4 9 96. Let us cancel on both sides. With the 12 we get here 12 3 here 3x by root 6 minus 12 ones y equal to here 12 8 here 96. Let us cancel here root 6 on both sides with the denominator. We get here 3x minus root 6 y is equal to here 8 root 6. Okay. Here again we cancel with the root 3 on both sides. We get 3 means root 3 into root 3. So here if we cancel root 3 remains. So answer is root 3 x. Here also we cancel root 3 means root 2 3 2 here minus root 2y is equal to 8 root 2. This is the equation of normal to the given ellipse. So first solution complete. Now I explain the second sum. In the second sum, he gives us mainly one circle and one ellipse. So second equation of circle. Equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to 16. Take this first equation. Equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse that is x square by 49 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Take this is equation 2. What it gives us? Find the common tangent to the circle and ellipse. So tangent of circle. Tangent of 1 is y is equal to mx plus here a into square root of 1 plus m square. So here y is equal to, we don't know mx plus a means radius. Here x square plus y square is equal to a square. A square is equal to 16 means a means 4 square root of 1 plus m square. Take this is equation number 3. So tangent of equation 2 is, this is ellipse. For ellipse tangent y is equal to mx plus square root of a square m square plus b square. So here y is equal to mx plus square root of a square where directly we take 49 m square plus b square value 4. Okay. And this is equation 4. Now here 3 and 4 same common dominant, that means both are equal. Three and 4 represent same, that means both are equal. So here mx plus 4 of square root of 1 plus m square is equal to, here also mx plus square of 49 m square plus 4. So let us cancel here mx and mx. We get here 4 into square root of 1 plus m square is equal to square root of 49 m square plus 4. For removing here square root, squaring on both sides, to get here 16 of 1 plus m square is equal to 49 m square plus 4. So here multiply with 16, we get 16 into 1 16 plus 16 into m square 16 m square is equal to 49 m square plus 4. Here 16 m square take that side and 4 take this side, that means 16 minus 4 is equal to 49 m square minus 16 m square. We get here 12. 12 is equal to, we get here 9 minus 6 3, here 4 minus 1 3, 33 m square. So here finally m square is equal to 12 by 33. Let us cancel it. With 3 we get 3 4s, 3 11s. M square is equal to 4 by 11. M is equal to square root of 4 by 11, that equal to 2 means square root of 11. Okay. We have the common tangent to the circle and ellipse. We take any one, that means equation of tangent for ellipse or equation of tangent for circle. I take equation of tangent for circle, that is y is equal to mx plus 4 into square root of 1 plus m square. Already we take this from equation 3. Okay. Here we take m is equal to 2 by root 11. That means y equal to 2 by root 11 x plus 4 into square root of 1 plus m value 2 by root 11, 2 by root 11 whole square. So here 2x by root 11 plus 4 into square root of 1 plus 2 square means 4 by root 11 square means 11. So here 2x by root 11 plus 4 into square root of, take LCM 11, 11 are 11, 11 plus 4 15. Okay. So let us cancel here root 11 on both sides we get here y there root 11 by is equal to 2x plus 4 root 15. Root 11 by also take this side, we get 2x minus root 11y plus 4 root 15 equal to 0. This is the equation of common diameter for circle and ellipse. I hope that all of you like this. I think that at anywhere you connected to me, so that's why please subscribe Taylor Achievers. Thanks for watching.